What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a word search game on Canva and a fully customizable one. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to Canva and open your design, okay? After, review the left sidebar of menus. We have templates, elements, text, brand. Go to apps. Once on apps, we're gonna click onto the search on activity. We're gonna type activities maker, just like this. You're gonna click into this first icon with multiple columns, and we have word search, crossword, maze, all up to you. Okay, I recommended we use word search for this video. We can use animals, countries, food, colors, hobbies, all up to you, and according to what you need, they're gonna type for you. And of course you can write more, okay? One per line, please. You can generate multiple puzzles in the case that you want, or just a single one. And you can do some settings, for example, the brand grid lines, search arcs for empty cells, mixed number of words per puzzle, numbers of rows, numbers of columns. You can do some settings. After having all set up, we have the highlight color as well too. After having all the setups, you can click on generate. And here is the result you got. The words on the puzzle and the results. You can save this only for you, and you can use this one right here to print and use into some activity, for example into a school activity. Simple, right? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!